Welcome back to day number 7. This video is the last video of the course, right? And till that you have learned lot of thing about Facebook ad, almost lot of thing, right? But not 100% complete, but yet you can create your lead generation ad and you can start generating your first lead, or you can generate your first lead using Facebook ad. That level of knowledge you have gained till that. So I will highly recommend you that please follow me step by step, right? So now day 7, it is a very important day and very important video for you to understand some important points about Facebook ads, right? So please watch this video till end, and this is very important video, right? So please watch it. And the last video is that. So, and if you have any kind of question, please ask me, I will surely help you. Okay. So number 1 point is that A/B testing. So A/B testing, what does it mean by actually A/B testing? A/B testing, it is very important when you run ad for first time, right? You have to understand that which type of audience work for you and which type of audience doesn't work for you. You have to understand which type of copywriting, which type of ad creative work for me. As you know, we have created in the last day structure of ad, right, where we have created 2 ad set, 2 ad, right? So in that, what we are actually doing, we are actually testing the audience. That's why we have created 2 ad set. If you don't want to test, just don't create the ad set. Simple as simple. And one more important thing is that don't put much more interesting, interested targeting option into your ad set in one ad set. I am repeating again, don't put 2 or 3 or 4 interest targeting option in one ad set. If you want to target 3 or more interest section, so I will recommend you that to use 2 more ad set, right? So now, so you have understand A/B testing, and which is very important when you run ad for first time, right? Another is budget optimization. In last day we have also understand budget optimization. There is a 2 budget optimization, is campaign level budget optimization and ad set level budget optimization. But for now I have to give you clear view about budget optimization, so it will surely help you, right? So as you can see here, with campaign budget optimization, that is a campaign level budget optimization, and this is a ad level budget optimization. So as you can see here, without campaign level budget optimization, you have set the budget for each ad set, $10, $10, $10. So what happen is that total conversion is 10, because this ad set work best for you, but this ad set doesn't work best for you, right? You get 10 conversions, this ad set doesn't work for you, but still this ad set spend your $10, and this ad set also spend your $10, but this both ad set doesn't work for you. But in campaign level budget optimization, you set budget for $30 in campaign level. So what Facebook will do, Facebook will optimize your budget, your ad set, your targeting. So Facebook will spend more money on that ad set, which ad set work best for you. So let's suppose your ad set to work best for you, so Facebook will spend here $80 and $7, $5 here, because these 2 ad set doesn't work best for you. So now you have understand which level campaign optimization you have to use, right? Conversion here is 15, same amount spent here, but you get conversion 10, same amount spent here, you get conversion 15. So that's the benefit of campaign budget optimization, right? That's why you have understand now. I think you have completely understand this thing. This is very important thing. Now second thing is that 20% text rule. Now Facebook have the condition, while you are going to create your ad for real estate ad, right? It is very important that you must follow 20% text rule. So understand what is that 20% text rule. So 20% rule is that, you can see here 20% text rule is advertiser not allowed to cover their ad images with more than 20% text. This rule applied both single image and cursor image run on Facebook and Instagram. Ad with more than 20% text covering any image might be rejected Facebook's review team or might be less frequently. That means if your ad have lot of text, right, so your ad will get rejected because Facebook don't allow much more text in your creative in ad, right. So for this what you have to do, you have to use this 20% text rule tool. This tool is created by Facebook, and you have to, whenever you create your creative ad, so just upload your image and check the image text rating. If is the image it takes okay, then it's fine. So as you can see here, I have uploaded my text which was we have created, right. So the image text is okay and your ad will run normally. If you use too much text, it will your ad reach may slightly lower, your ad reach may be lower, your ad not run if text is high into the ad. So I would recommend you that use at least one headline, that's enough in your ad creative, and use this tool, text overlay tool, to check your creative is fit this condition or not. So make sure you run ad when your text is okay, right. This is very very important. So I will provide you all the link which I have to go into talking about right now. You can check the description and you can go here and use this tool. Another point is that 24 hours required for approval. Whenever you create your ad, whenever you publish your ad completely, it will take minimum or maximum, we can say that 24 hours for approval. Facebook team or Facebook's algorithm will check your ad, and if the all condition are satisfied, your ad will be get approved. If your ad doesn't approve it, you may require to change the thing that you have doing wrong. So for this I will highly recommend you that check Facebook policies. You must have to read Facebook policies and comply with Facebook policies. And after understanding Facebook policy, you can approve your ad within 24 hours. Sometimes it will take you 2 or 3 hours to approve your ad. Sometimes it will take longer than 24 hours, right. So make sure you read the Facebook policy. If you don't read Facebook policy and understand Facebook policy, and if your ad is continuously rejecting 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, right, your ad account will be banned, and whatever money you have added in your ad account will be lose. So make sure you follow the Facebook policies, right. So I will show you the Facebook policy. So this is a Facebook policy. Please read all the Facebook policy, so you will understand how things work, right. One important thing is that if your ad account is banned, so whatever money you have added into your ad account will be lost. You cannot recover or you cannot get refund from Facebook after adding the money into your ad account. So make sure you follow the ad policy. This is a very very important point, right. Now let's suppose if your ad is get disapproved, still you have follow the ad policy, but your ad get disapproved, and suppose your ad account also get banned. For this you have to go your Facebook support system. You will find the link in the below. So you have to go here help center and search your query, or go to the support inbox. Here you can talk with a Facebook team and they will help you with your problem. That's it. So make sure you come here, and if you have any kind of problem you can ask here why this happen and all that stuff. So that's the thing you have to understand, and make sure you comply the Facebook policy. That's very important, right. So thank you so much for completing this course. You have successfully completed your 7 days Facebook and Instagram ad course for real estate business, right. If you have any kind of question you can ask me, I will surely help you. And thank you so much. Please let me show you what type of ad you have created on all that stuff. Please show me your success story. Please share me your success story. Thank you so much.
Hey, my name is Pawan Rajput. I just need you a few seconds. Do you want to be the top-notch real estate marketer who generate consistent flow of leads for free and paid using some strategies without Google and YouTube search, even if you don't have much technical knowledge? If your answer is yes, look at this. I have created some ebooks for real estate marketing to generate consistent flow of leads to help you to be the next top-notch real estate marketer. That's why I have created special bundle offer for you for limited time at a huge discount and priceless bonuses. So what are you waiting for? Go and check it out this landing page. You will find this link in the description. Keep it secret. At the end of this page, there is a something special offer for you. So go and check it out right now. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much.